Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, my name is Desi Anggreni. You can call me Desi. I'm from the 7th semester English Education Study Program, University Muhammadiyah Bogor Raya. Medium Stress Pragmatic. The purpose of making the video is to fulfill the requirements for the medium test pragmatic. The presentation today is about in communication. It is somewhat conceivable that a speaker articulates and utterance with the intonation of communicating something to the person he is speaking to and hopes that the person he is speaking to can understand what he wants to communicate. Grich via Wizana 2004. In general, there are several maxims that must be obeyed by participants in the speech age. These maxims are the maxim of quantity, the maxim of quality, the maxim of relevance, and the maxim of manner. The following is a description of Green's maxim of cooperation that both obey the violet. Along with example, the maxim of quantity. In the maxim of quantity, a speaker is expected to be able to provide information that is sufficient, relative, adequate, and as informative as possible. Such as information must not exceed the information that the speaker actually needs. Speech that does not contain information that is really needed by the speaker can be said to violate the maxim of quantity. Rahadi 2005. Example 1. Let those two last scientists first and die love. 2. Let the two last scientists who are both drunk on love and full of lust and of having mercy. Rahadi 2005. Stories 1 and 2 were told by a student boarding house manager to his children who were feeling annoyed because the boarding house resident before was irresponsible and even violate the rules that had been set. In the example above, it is a statement that is clear and very informative in content. It can be said that because without having to add any other information, the meaning of the utterance can be understood well and clear by the interlocutor. Next, maxim of quality. The maxim of quality, a speech participant is expected to be able to convey something real and in accordance with actual facts in speaking. This fact must be supported and based on clear advantage. For example, some must say that the capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. Not other cities unless they really don't know. However, if the opposite happens, then there is a reason why this happens. Rahadi 2005. Example 6. Please just cheat so it will be easier for me to judge later. 7. Don't cheat, I get a letter. Rahadi 2005. Speech 6 and 7 were told by the lecturer to his student in the exam room when he saw a student trying to cheat. Speech 7 clearly always for cooperation between the speaker and the speech partner. Speech 6 is said to violate the maxim of equality because the speaker says something that is actually not in the accordance with what some should do. This statement is something odd if in the world of education there is a lecturer who always his student to cheat during exam. Next, the maxim of relevance. The maxim of relevance, it is stated that in order for good cooperation to occur between the speaker and the speech partner, each of them shall be able to provide a relevant contribution regarding something that is being said. Speaking with heart making such a contribution is considered disobeying and violating the principle of cooperation. Rahadi 2005. Example 11. Sanghayang Tunggal. But before you go, put these words of mine in your heart. Semar, I am willing a good. Rahadi 2005. Story 11 was told by Sanghayang Tunggal to the character Semar in a wayang scam. The speech expert above can be said to fulfill and comply with the maxim of relevance. It is said that because if we look more closely, the speech delivered by the character Semar, namely servant is willing, yes good, is really a response to the command of Sanghayang Tunggal, which was spoken previously, namely, but before you go, put down the words I said this to myself. Next, the maxim of manner. This implementation maxim requires speech participants to speak directly, clearly, and not vaguely. People who speak with heart considering this thing can be said to violate Green's cooperation principle because they do not comply with the maxim of implementation. Rahadi 2005. Example 13. Positive, I often eat quickly. Negative, just a moment, it's still cold. Rahadi 2005. Story 13 was told by an older brother to his young sister. The sniff of speech above has a low level of clarity because a low level of clarity automatically has a very high level of ambiguity. The speaker's speech positive command often it quickly does not provide any clarity about what is actually being asked by the interlocutor. The word often in the speech above contains a very high level of ambiguity and vagueness, so the meaning becomes very unclear. It can be said that because the word is possible to be interpreted in the various ways. Likewise, the speech delivered by the interlocutor negative, namely just a moment, it still could contains a high level of ambiguity. The word called in the speech can bring many possible interpretations because in the speech it is not clear what could actually is such statement can be said to violate the principle of cooperation because they do not comply with the maxim of implementation. 2. Humor and jokes. Humor is a form of play. As humor lends humans love to play, for adults, playing is reaction, but for children, is part of the learning process. Alan Viawijana 2004. Play is an absolute part of a child's personality. Strong play children creative is awakened, stimulated, and strong a play a child is prepared to become a member of society. The strings to humor content is modern Japanese literacy works into three types, namely humor as a language card, humor as a literacy card, and humor as cultural code. Wijayana 2004. In conception, there is a fundamental difference between original discourse and humorous discourse. Original discourse is performed from a bona fide communication process, while humorous discourse is formed from the opposite communication process. BBM, namely a communication process that is not bona fide. Raskin Viawijana 2004. The process of creating humorous discourse itself can be strong language games. In this connection, humorous discourse often deviates from the rules of communication outlined by pragmatic principle, both textual and interpersonal. 3. Laughing while watching. A comedy is a complex reaction involving various factors, including understanding humor, social values, and personal experience. Green's maxim theory provides a framework for understanding how humor works in a communication context. Green maxim theory. This theory focuses on the idea that in conversation we assume that our interculture follows four maxim. 1. Quality. Speak honestly and based on correct information. 2. Quantity. Provide enough information, not too much or too little. 3. Relevance. Provide information that is relevant to the topic of conversation. 4. Manner. Speak clearly, concisely, and regularly. Humor often emerges when one of these maxims is violated. This violation can lead to humorous incompatibilities because we expect the person we are talking to follow the rules of communication. Humor in comedy. In comedy, violation of green maxim are often used to create humor. For example, a stand-up comedy might violate the maxim of relevance by telling a story that makes no sense or is unrelated to the topic of discussion. Violation of the maxim of quality can occur when comedians make statements that are clearly false or hyperbolic. Example, in comedy films, violation of the maxim of quality in the film adventure, detective, the character adventure makes statements that are clearly false or incorrect, such as when he claims to be able to talk to animals. Why do we laugh? When we see violation of green maxim, we sense a discrepancy between what is expected and what happiness. This incongruity creates tension that is the relates with laughter. Laughter is an emotional reaction to surprise, confusion, or joy caused by humor. Conclusion: Green Maxim theory helps us understand how humor works in the communication. By violating certain maxim, comedian can create humors, incongruous, and trigger laughter in the audience. Laughter is a complex reaction involving various factors, including understanding humor, social values, and personal experience. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.